I will never look at climate change the same way after seeing what's happening in Pakistan. Crops destroyed, villages vanished. This isn't just heavy rain, monsoon storms, overflowing rivers. Dam releases have forced nearly 5 million people in Punjab to flee their homes. Fields are underwater, homes are gone, hundreds have lost their lives. Here's the cruel twist: Pakistan barely contributes to global emissions, less than 1%, yet it's paying one of the highest prices for climate change. For your CSS or IR prep, remember, climate change isn't some far-off threat. In Pakistan, the crisis is happening right now. Are we paying attention?